everyone. How are you all doing? Now this is my kind of spot. I could just live here. Just listen to that. Awesome. This is like the perfect spot. The only thing it doesn't have is a place to dump your toilet and stuff, but other than that, it's pretty much ideal. It's a bit booky at night. You know, you have to kind of get over that, don't you?
Good morning.
Hey, buddy.
How gorgeous you look. I am such a gorgeous boy. Oh my god. No, there's not. Oh wait, no, wait, stay. It's not a tick, don't worry.
Polsky saw a bird. Hey? You see a bird, little man?
Yeah! This is my home. I live in that box.
Bobble, where's the ducks? Let's go, Joe.
Okay, David. Let me finish my vino.
Looks like there's more lake.
Nice down here.
This will be Moz City round here.
This is weird.
Yeah, it's probably high water, isn't it, obviously? Not normally this high, I guess. Boat ramp.
Oh, look at shoe. Oh, God. Broken.
It's an old car. Farm.
Yeah, I wish I could go back in time.
Huh?
I wish I could go back in time. The windows, right, you could just put it.
Oh
Yeah,
no, it's chalets, isn't it?
That hurts, aren't they?
Holiday park.
Oh, it's so much fun.
What?
Well, we used to go to this caravan park called Silver Bay. I think it was in Wales, Norfolk or something, I don't know exactly. But it was just the best.
That's straight out of the horror film.
Yeah.
Oh look, you're crazy golf. Caravans are sick.
Yeah.
I've got a caravan now, but it drives as well.
Yeah.
Launching a boat. Is that all it is? Just a boat launch? I've always wanted a boat like that. Almost looks like snow even.
Yeah, like frost.
So mad. It's like walking on a cloud or something. I'm sure this is what it would look like.
so cool.
You remember? I was sat in the fucking mud trying to get a photo.
Oh yeah, I do remember actually.
I taught you specifically how to do it.
Just friends there.
Huh?
Just friends there.
How's about my neck?
Oh my god, I did 3! Oh my god! Did you see it?
I didn't, I saw a big splash.
Oh
We've
my
got
god!
it again.
I did 3!
Hey, yo! Techers. Yeah, that's a good one.
That's it now. I'm gone forever.
4.
See ya in another life. Need to find stone first, so. Oh, look, a shell.
4 to beat.
Look, a shell.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Can you beat 4?
Probably not. Won't lie. Well, if I've got the technique, easily, but I don't know if I do. Ready?
Oh, that was 3.
Oh my god! I'm so happy!
Oh, 1.
Need a thin, flat one. A bit like a pancake tip.
Oh.
Right, I'm losing it.
Come on, you can do it.
Yeah, I know I can do it. 'Cause I did it twice, 3 times, 4 times.
Once.
I'll fucking smack your face into this wall in a minute.
What was that?
I don't know, I couldn't do it though.
Huh?
I couldn't do it. You know the perfect stone, that's what it is.
It's all the stone.
That's not flat, really. Oh,
If you can beat 4, I'll buy you a present. I'll give you a present.
Buy a present anyway.
I'll give you a present.
Give me a present anyway. Anyway, I did 3 first try, so. I did 3, so whatever. Oh my god, I did 4! Yes! That was a massive one as well. Oh my god, I did 4. Wicked. Okay, here's Blockworthy. Shit. I've been finding some real good flat ones. Oh. Okay, my luck was with a flat big one, so maybe this one will work.
Yeah, that's like a skim nut.
With 2. Probably not. Oh, it's going to end this time. Apart from when, obviously, it becomes winter. Whereas the English, yeah, but the English summer is
That's about 2 days. Isn't it?
exactly. But I'm going to be abroad forever. So it's never really going to end until it's proper winter.
Yeah.
I mean,
What's in Bobbles up to?
I'll be snoozing hard.
Not been much of a video today really, I'm afraid, because we've not really been doing anything. Well, just been relaxing pretty much. 22 degrees at one point, so yeah, not much footage I'm afraid, but that's how it is. I think we're probably going to move on tomorrow, I reckon. There you go, folks. Hope that gives you a little better sense of where we are. I think we'll probably get back on the road again tomorrow, so be somewhere new, refresh. It's been a nice little chill out session here though. Just setting the drone up for a quick blast. Massive this lake is, isn't it? Just looking at the comments now. Lunar Bus. I don't know what to say. Thank you very much, seriously. That is very, very, very much appreciated, and I will definitely get something sorted out. I'll have to figure out a way to get it somehow. Don't really know how. I'm just reading the other comments as well about putting slats in and stuff. And yeah, I agree. I should have just done that. That's kind of stupid, really. So I think what I'm probably going to do, I'll wait until when I get to Chamonix. I'll go have a look first there's like a Brico depot thing somewhere near there. I'll go have a look in there and just see if they've got anything similar to those mat things. And if not, I'm going to have to try and order one. But I reckon I'm going to get some. There's been a few suggestions. One to put in battens every few inches, like the length of the bed, so it sits up a bit, and then leave the thing how it is with the air holes. That could work. I could either just do the mat, or I could do the battens and then put the mat on top of those. So it would be like a massive layer of air gap then. Because it's bad, like it's really bad. I mean, it got soaking just in a couple of days, and it's warm as well, and it's still getting wet. It's really weird. Mr. Gene Dancing Machine, maybe the waterproof sheet is cutting off the air circulation. Do you mean the top sheet or the bottom sheet? But the idea was put the waterproof sheet on top of the mattress. It's like a waterproof mattress cover, so it stops the moisture going from us through, but somehow that's not worked. So maybe it's not that. Or do you mean the membrane that I put underneath? Because I did poke the holes in that for the vents that I drilled in the plywood anyway. So I don't know. The idea of that membrane underneath was to stop the plywood getting wet, and obviously the like happening again because all the wood went rotten. Why not get a couple of those beaded taxi seat covers to help with the mattress airflow? You don't by any chance mean these, do you? I actually used this in the summer. I have to use it because my leather seats aren't perforated, so I just end up drowning pretty much every time I drive. I mean, something like that would probably work, to be fair. It's kind of a good shout, but I've only got one and I need that to stop myself dying. Yeah, I don't know, I'll have to figure it out. I don't really want to start ripping the van apart, obviously, while we're on the road, so I'll wait till we get to Chamonix, which should be pretty soon, to be honest. I'm going to try and make a bit of a push for it. I think we've got enough fuel to get there, I hope so. But if not, I can always lend half a tank's worth or something. I reckon that'll probably do for today anyway. Just going to have food now, chill out for a bit, and then hit the sheets. So hopefully tomorrow's video will be a bit better. Right, I shall see you all tomorrow.